Government gains PSU mutual as stocks climb peaks. Mumbai, state ownership in the terms of the value of shared health surged to 7 years of high of 10.38% of total market capitalization as of March 31st by a robust rally in several public sector unit PSU stock. The value had touched a high of 23% of total market capitalization of listed firms in June 2009, dropping to a low rate of 5.1% in September 2020. Before troubling since then, according to the data, re-rating amid large valuation discounts, high dividend field record cash flow, and news of possible preventions triggered a sharp rally in public sector companies. Over the last 3 years, listed state-owned firms have added nearly rupees 43 lakhs crore in market capitalization in 3 years ended March 31st to hit rupees 61.22 lakh crores. To be sure, about rupees 6.4 lakh crores was added via 6 new listings such as those of Life Insurance Corp of India and Indian Renewable Energy Development Agencies among other during this period. The 90 PSE index and 90 PSU bank index have been significantly gains of 326% and 493% respectively in 3 years. Compare it to 142% returns by the Nifty.